find that when I've got it out, like if I've got it set to curls, because it just curls nice.
Yeah.
It sits nice.
That's right.
But then only curls for a day, and then I've got to have it up because I'm always at the gym or something. Then I
Yeah.
flip it back up again.
Yeah.
I've worn it once to the gym with curls in it,
Yeah.
and I just flung it into a bun.
Mm.
But I like it when it's sort of done. But that's so many days out of a month, really.
Mm.
Like, yeah.
What do you mean? Like you only put it down maybe a couple of days a month? That's what you mean?
Yeah, 1 to 3 times, especially when it's having this really deep wash. I just have it set like I never wring it out. I just put all my product in it, like.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then I just let it naturally dry, and it just curls.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
And I was like, wow, that looks awesome. It does. It looks really nice.
Yeah.
But then I've got to tie it up the next day and go to training.
Yeah.
So it's just like, oh, and then that's it gone. Just smells like sweet after that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't know.
So in your feeling, like you say, okay, you want a change, right? But you really don't know what kind of change do you feel like. So for me, that's what I think about. You want a change because you want different look, or do you want a change because you feel it hard to maintain? Which one?
Probably more for a different look.
For different look. So when you say that you want different look with me, I think that with 2 options. The option 1 that we cut it shorter than this, so easy for you to maintain.
Yeah.
It might be you can crunches it, and when it in the right length, you might feel that it's not that heavy, it's not that too fluffy, frizzy. You might be feel okay to put it down.
Yeah, I feel like it's just heavy. Like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what I mean. So, and another option for you to change it, but I don't think the second option is change different color. And I think it takes so hard for you to get to this color.
Yeah, I
and
do
a
like
lot,
this color, yeah.
A lot of people like this color, and I think that right now your hair, the color is perfect. It's like nice and ashy. So the option for you to change it, just make it shorter,
Yeah.
the right length.
Yeah.
So when you got the right length, what are the benefits? Number 1, your goal is that you want to look different. Yes, when you have long, medium hair, you don't feel that you look different because why? You don't put it down.
No.
And when even you put it down, but because the hair is too heavy, it's too fluffy, it makes you feel like, oh, it's too much to put it down.
Yeah.
When you cut in the right length, then you can put it down, you feel, you put the products on, you crunch it, and when you do training, whatever, you still feel that it's okay to not tidy up.
Yes. Yeah.
So the reason you tied it up because it's heavy, because it's fluffy, and make you feel to tie it up. But if you have the right length, the right length, the right style, it does not make you feel that heavy and fluffy, and then you can put it down.
That's exactly what it. that's what I mean.
Yeah.
I think it's just the length. Yeah, because even now I'm finding it, like even when I go for it to go curly, it's a heavy curl. Like before it used to like just go from here, go but now it's like drop straight and then it goes.
Yeah.
It's like, oh god, this is heavy.
Yeah.
It's heavy. It's not taking the curls like it used to.
Yeah. Yeah, and with that, even though you look at yourself, you say, oh, the cut, it look nice, but you don't enjoy with that.
Yeah.
Because it feels something is heavy, and only the next day you already feel that the heaviness, it makes you feel uncomfortable with that.
Yeah.
And that it makes you feel, oh, just put it up.
Yeah.
And when you put all your hair up, then you don't see anything different.
Yeah.
And everyday hair is just the same.
Yeah.
And that makes you feel like, oh, don't know what to do with my
yeah.
hair. So that's what I think that the option that.
I haven't cut it in a long time.
Yeah, you haven't. So that's why I think that today we just do the color and then we cut it. in just like the shoulder length like that.
Okay, yeah.
And if you like to do with the curl, like play with the curl, I might cut a little bit layer, so then you do the curl, so the curl is come up higher a little bit, so it does not feel like too heavy. But again, if you feel that you want to make it look more healthier, then not too much layer.
Yeah, I don't really like layers.
Yeah.
Too much.
Yeah.
That. Because when it curls with this colour, yeah, it does
Make
nice.
Curl nice, right? Yeah. So, does that answer your question now?
Yes, thank you.
Sometimes you don't know.
Yeah.
Yes,
like,
but my job.
But you know.
Yeah, I know. What does that mean? Yeah, I really like the color you maintain so well. It looks beautiful, Ash. So nice.